are pleased to show you the 2018 Chevrolet Spark. Chevy Spark, Chevrolet's first mini car, offers effortless driving on congested highways and roads with excellent fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, rear window wiper, front bucket seats, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, rear spoiler, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, radio data system, 4-piece floor mat set. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.